that used to all be all garden.
From where to where?
From about the yard past the barrel, just back to the garage. And then the neighbors. And then I had a line here. About a yard from the stone, the rock.
So the garden's a lot smaller than it used to be.
Oh yeah, I used to have 6, 7 rows of corn, long ones, potatoes, and then of course I mentioned I had kohlrabi and I had all kinds of, and some of it got so big, people didn't believe it. I auctioned it off at, it's a church auction, and I got sometimes $5, $6 a head of cauliflower.
Really?
And you have to know what to do. When in fall, when the potatoes die, onions die and everything, cauliflower will not die, even when snow is on top of it.
So it just goes dormant?
No, even the Brussels sprout, I put the little corn stalks around it, and they were okay till after Thanksgiving. You know, snow sometimes went on top of it. So, my dad was alive, you know, and we competed.
Who had a bigger garden, you or your father?
I did. He did. His yard wasn't big enough. But where Phil has a big garage now, that used to be his garden too.
Does Phil still have a garden?
Yeah. His is about the size like less than half, like where the tomatoes start, and he has some.
Does Willie still have a garden?
No.
Willie just grows flowers, huh?
Yeah. Willie does everything Eleanor did. Willie, he never worked with his dad. When he went to school, and then he went into the army, and then when his dad died, he didn't teach him. And hey, his dad even had to learn some. He bought 3 loads, 4 loads of dirt, and he started to grow tomatoes. And do you know tomatoes? Boy, I see a pepper fell off. Tomatoes will not grow on walnuts. They will die 10 feet, 20 feet away from a walnut tree. The roots will not let. Boy, is that a woodchuck or something? See, something ate off here.
So what are you growing over there to the left in that other bunch?
Just raspberry and rhubarb.
Raspberries and rhubarb?
Yeah. And cherries, of course, they don't grow.
So did we lose Kaylee?
Huh?
I wonder where Kaylee went.
Kaylee? Oh, there she is. There, by the house.
So lots of potatoes, huh?
Well, this year they lasted, about February. But we use only the big ones, the small ones we throw away, or sometimes we bake them whole, just little ones. And Marie likes them better. She says they taste better.
Oh, there's a pepper fell already, huh?
Yeah, I don't know where that came from.
So,
And see, eggplants.
oh, look at that eggplant. Now that eggplant's going to get a lot bigger before you harvest that.
Well, it depends what variety you have. There are some small ones, there are some white ones, there are some striped ones.
So how many peppers will a plant like this produce in a year?
It depends how far you put in the pot. You can have 30, 40 peppers on one plant.
On one plant?
Philip really gets big.
So is this pepper any good or is it too young?
That's still good. That's good.
So you can eat this pepper, huh?
I think so. Now let me. Hot.
What kind of habanero?
Hungarian hot wax.
Hungarian hot wax peppers, huh?
Yeah. I'll take it in.
And 4 rows of corn here, huh?
Yeah. See, and on the corn suckers, I have to take the suckers off. Man, I had everything so beautiful, and then it rained, and it floated away a lot of the soil.
So these are different kinds of peppers, or are they all the
These are
same?
cucumbers.
Those are cucumbers, huh?
And those are cucumbers. And those are cucumbers. See, they will die after a while, and so I get fresh ones. Now the doctor that I go to, he puts black stuff down and he plants them through, and he has sometimes even soaker hoses. So he doesn't have that much grass, but it costs money.